Hi guys and welcome to another video. So we're gonna start talking about data types. The first data type that we're going to talk about it's called string. Okay, so let's just come back to our console.writeLine function or method. So right here, just take a look at some of the data types that are supported. So are you seeing the bool value variable? Okay, so this actually show us all the data types that are supported by the write-line function because functions can receive different data types. So if I go right here, you're gonna see string data type. So what is a string? Okay, so a string is basically a sequence of characters. Okay, so anything like text, uh, there is between double quotes is a string. So how can we create our own string object? Okay, remember that everything is an object. So to do that, you will use the keyword string and you give it a name, for example name, and then you're gonna use the equal sign to assign some value. For instance, I'm gonna go with my name. Okay, so that's how you create a variable. Okay, so this is the data type, which is a string because we are working with strings. This is the name. Okay, so it's a good idea, a good practice to have different names to different objects. Okay, we cannot have objects with the same name because the compiler will not know the difference and will crash. Eventually, it will not compile the code. Okay, so this is the equal sign and this is the value. So strings work with double quotes. In other languages, single quotes are supported, but in C sharp you use double quotes. Okay, so what can we do with this? Well, we already have signed the values. We now can print out on the console.writeLine. So I'm gonna concatenate a single string right here. My name is, and I'm gonna use the plus sign, and we're gonna finish with a semicolon, and I'm gonna add another line of code, which is the console.readline. Okay, so let's execute. Let's click start, and this is the output. Where where's the output? So let's taking a while to compile. So yeah, this is the output, guys. So as you guys can see, my name is Pedro, which is the true. Okay, so this is the basic on data types in C sharp. Just keep in mind that you don't need to know everything at once. You could break it down in smaller pieces and you eventually understand everything at once. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. See you guys next time.